When it comes to cookware that combines durability, elegance, and efficiency, this Lolykitch Tri-Ply 13-inch stainless steel wok pan stands out as a masterpiece in modern kitchens. Designed for passionate home cooks and professional chefs alike, this wok pan offers the ultimate blend of functionality and style. From its tri-ply construction to its detachable handle and compatibility with all stovetops, this cookware redefines convenience and performance. Whether you're a fan of stir-frying, sautéing, or even deep-frying, the Lolykitch stainless steel wok pan ensures superior results with minimal effort. Let's explore in detail why this wok pan is an essential addition to your kitchen arsenal. Key features that set Lolykitch wok pan apart. Number 1. Tri-ply clad construction. The Lolykitch wok pan is constructed with tri-ply technology that features a high-purity aluminum core sandwiched between two layers of durable stainless steel. This ensures even heat distribution. Say goodbye to hot spots that can ruin your dishes. Energy efficiency. Cooks faster while saving up to 20% energy. Durability. Withstand daily use without warping or losing its shape. Number 2. Food-grade stainless steel surface. The cooking surface is crafted from highly polished 18-8 food-grade stainless steel, ensuring that your food remains safe and untainted by harmful chemicals. The starburst finish adds to its non-stick-like performance while resisting scratches and stains. This surface is also non-reactive, meaning it won't alter the flavor of acidic or alkaline foods, making it ideal for a wide variety of recipes. Number 3. Detachable cool handle grip. Safety and convenience go hand in hand with the Lolykitch wok pan. The long handle and helper handle are detachable, easy to store and clean, cool to the touch, ensures safe handling even at high temperatures. Securely fixed, with screws that provide stability during cooking. Number 4. Versatile compatibility. This wok pan works seamlessly on all stovetops, including induction, gas, electric, ceramic. You can also use it in the oven, as it is dishwasher and oven safe, expanding your cooking possibilities. Number 5. Reliable and certified. The wok is PFOA-free and SGS certified, providing peace of mind when it comes to health and safety. Its ability to heat quickly and evenly guarantees consistently excellent cooking results every time. Why choose the Lolykitch Tri-Ply wok pan? The Lolykitch wok pan isn't just another piece of cookware. It's a versatile tool that enhances your cooking experience. Here's why. Durability. Built to last for years without compromising performance. Ease of use. Detachable handles and dishwasher safe design make it convenient for everyday use. Healthy cooking. Non-reactive surface ensures no harmful chemicals enter your food. Professional results. Even heat distribution and fast heating give you restaurant-quality dishes. Perfect for every cooking enthusiast. Whether you're a beginner experimenting with stir-fried dishes or a seasoned chef perfecting your signature sauces, this wok pan delivers consistently amazing results. Its large 13-inch diameter offers ample space for cooking family-sized meals, while its lightweight yet sturdy construction ensures effortless handling. Customer testimonials. Perfect for my induction stove. This wok heats up incredibly fast and cooks my stir-fries evenly. The detachable handle is a genius addition that makes cleaning so easy. Professional-grade cookware at home. I've used many stainless steel pans before, but this one takes the cake. It's durable, stylish, and worth every penny. Conclusion. Invest in the best for your kitchen. This Lolykitch Tri-Ply 13-inch stainless steel wok pan isn't just cookware, it's an upgrade for your kitchen and lifestyle. Whether you're cooking for family, hosting a dinner party, or exploring new recipes, this wok pan guarantees exceptional performance and convenience. From its innovative tri-ply construction to its detachable handles, every feature is designed to make your cooking easier, safer, and more enjoyable. It's time to elevate your culinary skills with the Lolykitch wok pan, a reliable partner for all your cooking adventures. Ready to take the next step? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.